Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Derivative questions get easy fast when you stay organized, because this one is just a quotient rule setup, a clean substitution, and a quick finish. Start with the quotient rule for m of x equals the quantity f of x plus g of x over h of x. So m prime is h times the numerator derivative minus the numerator times h prime over h. Now plug in x equals 0 using the table values for f, g, h, and their derivatives as given. Then combine the numerator pieces before dividing by h of 0 squared. After simplifying, the numerator and denominator reduce cleanly, and that gives m prime of 0 equals -2. So option A is the winner. Well done! Option A. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps because quotient rule errors usually happen during substitution.